IPX4 water resistant. LED charge continuity indicator, compact. 1 meter impact resistance tested. Note: recharge using USB charging cord or optional mains charger, not included. Inspect, identify and repair. The Switchblade is 5 lights in one. It's a drop light, a hands-free light, a bright white light, a high Cree light with Streamlight's Color-Rite technology, and it's a UV light. 5 lights in one. Drop light, hands-free light, white light, Color-Rite light, UV light. Features a double-sided, 180-degree rotating light bar that aims the beam where you need it. Ultra-thin design fits into tight spaces, folds in half. Lithium-ion battery recharges in 8 hours, charges via USB source or Stinger charger. Machined aircraft aluminum light bar, chemical-resistant lens resists corrosion. High impact, super tough nylon polymer construction with rocky stipple texture for a sure grip. IPX4 water resistant. Top reviews from the United States. A very great lighting for all uses. 2 years ago I got one. Thought it would be nice to have a second one for an extra. Few things I buy two of when not need to. Don't know how much it is needed until you don't have it on the job. Use EACK day night.